Saturday morning to the SPY traders around the world. Here is that daily chart. We featured the buy when we hit the 150-day with the big sell-off last week. It proved to be correct. We had a nice up day Friday. We have resistance, and we will look at going short the 550 put. Resistance is at that 50-day simple moving average, everybody. One of the things that we would really love to share with you is the fact that turbooptiontrading.com has a wealth of information. It has everything that's going to power you. We will give you a funded trader account. You've got everything here on the home page, everything that you need to be successful. But let me tell you what is successful. Successful is joining the live trading room. As you know, live trading room. We have a live trading room for equities. We will give the orders. We have a trading room for crypto, and we have a trading room for live option trading. Once again, take that step. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. Sign up. Why are you waiting?